Hey, welcome back to the video guys and girls. I'm finally back and today I have a special video for you guys. Thank you to SUDIO for sending over their new SUDIO NIVAs for me to check out, and let's get this video started. So this is the box that SUDIO sent over to check out. It's their new SUDIO NIVA truly wireless earphones. This is the first model. I'm told that this is the first time they're releasing a truly wireless version of it. It comes with 3.5 hours of battery life, and it holds up to 4 chargers inside the traveling case. So the box, in my opinion, looks pretty good. It has a few key specs on the bottom, and on the left and right side it says NIVA. So opening up the SUDIO NIVA, we can see the traveling case right there. It's a matte black. In my opinion, it looks pretty good, but it already has scratches on it, and it comes with this leather strap for you to bind it to things and stuff. So as you guys can see, those are the NIVAs right inside the case. So moving into the other contents inside the box, we have additional ear tips for you to change out if your ears are different sizes to fit your ear properly, and it comes with a micro USB charging cable that looks pretty good. Moving on, we have the SUDIO NIVA user manuals guide with the warranty card at the back to guarantee that this product is genuine. Now taking a closer look at the carrying case, it looks pretty good. It has the 4 LED indicator lights in front and the micro USB charging port at the back. Now I got this out of the box and it was already a little bit scratched. I don't know why, maybe it was going through customs, but it was kind of sad to see the scratches on top. Now the ear tips just fit in wirelessly and they snap into place by the magnets, as you guys can see. And when it's charging, it shows the red LED, and on the charging case it shows the blue LEDs. Now we are taking a very close look at the ear tips themselves. As you can see, it says SUDIO on the front, and this is the side profile. It has indications with L and R to indicate which side they fit on, and that is the button on the front. My first impressions are they feel really light, they feel quality, and I got to test some of the audio quality from these. I think they are pretty good. They get pretty loud and there's a good amount of bass in it. So that was basically the quick look and unboxing of the new SUDIO NIVAs released by SUDIO. Again, a big thank you to SUDIO for sending these over for me to check out. If you guys are interested to see how they look on ear, do check out my Instagram. I have a lot of posts on there so you guys can see clearly how they look in ear and on ear. So yeah, if you like this video, leave a like. I'm making a review soon, so if you guys are interested in the review, do come back in a week or so. Dislike this video if you didn't like it, subscribe if you haven't. I have more videos coming out, and as always, thanks for watching. Bye guys.